Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. To say that Kevin Hart is having a kind of rough time, I kind of sort of understand. I identify with him all the way through. First up, we had Tasha K and his former assistant come out telling all of his business on Tasha K's 1+ million YouTube channel. He's suing them, by the way, allegedly, you know, that he did one or two things allegedly, and it was I was just looking like gum-smacked. The thing was that people weren't really too fazed by the whole thing because he came out himself in a documentary talking about how he loves his wife and how he had cheated on her, this, that, and the other. So this kind of thing is not new news. Then, of course, we have our fabulous who really came out here in these streets talking about he's a plant, he's this, that, and the other.
In 15 years in Hollywood,
Kevin Hart responded.
Another fun fact about the New York Knicks, I don't know if you guys know this, but Katt Williams bought the Knicks.
He definitely bought it.
He bought the Knicks,
yeah.
And it's rumored that he took the Knicks back, returned them with a receipt.
You could do that. You didn't know you could do that.
The first person ever did.
Yeah. Oh, they gave him a 30-day policy.
He got it. Well, he bought it for 15 days
and returned it.
Yeah. That's another fun fact about the New York Knicks.
He made the team.
He played.
He played. Oh, he played.
He played with the Knicks. He played with them.
Well, you know he's fast. They say he's fast.
Yeah,
he's
one of the fastest.
3.9.
Oh, yeah.
What you say? A sub 3.9. He figured out how to play basketball from reading all them books.
3,000 of them.
3,000 a year.
A year.
That's 2 a day. At 6 years old. That's 2 a day. Who knew he was so voracious?
At the age 7, he got accepted to I think it was Delaware University.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Never made public news.
No. Ever.
The biggest secret in the world.
Hey.
Smartest kid to ever do it. They kept it a secret for 48 years. Yeah. They kept it a secret and it just dropped on it.
He was hitchhiking on the side of the street at 13. Yeah. So they couldn't find it. Speaking of which, Kev, you've had a busy week.
Yeah.
A tough one.
Yeah, real busy week, fellas. A real busy one.
Okay. Oh, John Morant coming in to the Lakers. Okay.
Another known fact: Katt dropped him off.
Oh, wow. Katt in a spaceship. John Morant.
He gave him a ride.
Oh. In a spaceship. Okay. In a spaceship. Copy that. Spaceship that he parallel parked.
Known fact: Katt Williams has a NBA basketball court in his living room. He's the first to ever really. Oh yeah. He's the first to embrace a true hardwood floor. Yeah. He brought it in his home.
Was he playing against that little boy that put him on the ground?
Another known fact.
By the way, he's fighting for the MMA championship, the 17-year-old boy that put him in the rear naked choke. In a headlock, right? But it's a known fact that Katt Williams do not breathe oxygen, so it didn't bother him.
Yeah.
Oh, copy that. You can't choke him out.
Yeah,
That's
you
a known
can't.
fact.
Everybody knows that.
He's 92-6 in one-on-one pickup game.
My issue again. Why come out with the jokes? Why come out with the saltiness? Why come out, snickering? Why don't you just say, Katt, A, B, C, D, E, F, not true. Not true. Give us the receipts. Be crystal clear. I will always say it. If somebody accuses me of something, I'm going to have the receipts. I will respond. At that point in time, for me personally, it's a situation where this is no time for me to be kind of misunderstood or skirt around the issue. I want to be crystal clear about my receipts too. If you want to come for me, not a problem. But don't be surprised. Sure and expect that I'm going to come for you. Well, like I have said, I am in a very difficult position right now, my darlings, because I never believed in the Illuminati. Never did. Anybody that said it, I said to myself, a little crazy. I was out there in Hollywood and I did my thing. And like I've said it, I'm a solid actor, solid entertainer. I came out here on the YouTube streets at 45 and I'm doing my thing here. And in some way, shape or form, I'm really kind of sort of happy that I'm in my lane. I'm doing it on my own terms. And I don't have to go to somebody's house after I've auditioned to audition again. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me. I was older, smarter, as much as I wanted, love it. I don't need it that bad. I have boundaries, and I have boundaries with everything, you know, because that's just the only way that I can function. And so it happened to majority of us out there in Hollywood. People will try you. Let me just say it like that. People will try you. Anyway, I stumbled across a little clip and I am flabbergasted at what I saw. I gotta give full credit. Let me give full credit. You know, I'm all about my full credits. Yup. Because I don't play those kind of games. You can't know everything. Be comfortable with that. For you not to give that person credit is ridiculous, because you're not the only one that saw it. And the other person that sees it will know where you got it from, if that makes sense. Anyway, full credit to JUVIA TV. This is where I got this clip from. And I was just dumbfounded. I was dumbfounded. Go right ahead.
I don't know if you've had this, but I've had people throw millions of dollars in my face to do something I didn't want to do. And what? Just, you've been off, yeah. Oh, they're in the room.
Yeah. I don't want to. Yeah. That was my way of cueing you. Like, it's open dialogue.
Yeah. You want me to keep talking about it?
By all means, we can talk about anything.
But don't do it.
Yeah, no.
Drop it down in the comments and you let me know what you think. I have never seen this clip. Ever. Never ever seen this clip. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.